Integrating the Stripe payment gateway in Angular is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, create a Stripe account and get your API keys. Choose the payment methods you want to support. For example, credit cards, Apple Pay, etc. Then install Stripe libraries. Use the code exactly as shown here on the screen. Also, consider additional libraries like this one here in the screen for advanced features. Create a payment form. Build your form with elements like input fields for card details and a submit button. You can use Angular components and templates for a clean structure. In your component, use Stripe's Stripe class to create a client instance with your API keys. If using @stripe/stripe-elements, use the elements class to create card input elements. Next, style and configure these elements for a seamless user experience. On form submission, use the elements or payment request API to handle the payment flow. This involves sending card details to Stripe and handling successful scenarios. Your backend server needs to handle payment confirmations and order processing. Use Stripe's server-side APIs to verify payments and update your data.